Hi, my name is Maloy. I'm here with the Prince William County Office of Historic Preservation, and we're here right now in the community of Buckhall to talk about our upcoming tours this summer. We explore historic towns in Prince William County. Buckhall is one of the ones that we're featuring, and these tours are on the third Friday of the month in June, August, and September. And right now I'm here with a community member, Frank Moore, who's going to tell us a little bit about the history of Buckhall, a sneak peek of what you might see on some of these tours this summer.
My name is Frank Moore, and this is my home. Buckhall is my home. And I am one of the oldest residents in the area. When I say one, there's one other, Fred Chandler, I believe, that has the used auto parts. He's been here longer than I have. Other than that, I'm the oldest. Behind me are three buildings. One was the Buckhall Post Office, which probably hasn't been in existence for the last 50 years or so. And then the center building was the Buckhall grocery store. And then to the other side of that is the one-room schoolhouse. And I know my grandmother went to that schoolhouse. That hadn't been in existence for years and years. Building standing, but no school there. And of course, we're standing at the edge of the graveyard here in Buckhall. I have a lot of relatives. My grandparents, my mother and father are buried here, and a lot of other relatives. And then just up the street from that is the Methodist Church. The street that we're on here used to be the main way from Manassas to Woodbridge, and you had to come down past the store here, but now they've got Prince William Parkway. That's been in existence probably since the mid-'80s. Made a big change in the community because most people don't know the little community of Buckhall because you're on the bypass, so to speak. But it's a quiet little community. And I'm proud to say that I'm pretty much a lifelong member of this area.
So for more great stories like this, please do check out our town tours this summer. In June, we are exploring the town of Occoquan. In August, we're headed to the settlement. In September, we're headed to the city of Manassas. So please do check us out and like and subscribe.